This is a site. Let's take this everything and join it, and let's put it in its own layer. I'll put it in layer 4. I'll rename it site because it's already green. Take this object, turn it into the site layer. Alright. Okay, so now what we're going to need to do is to design our floor plates. Now our floor plates, according to your prompt, is going to be about approximate size of 200 by 75 feet. Okay, so each floor level is about that big. So to give ourselves a little bit of a You know what, I'm going to turn this thing so it'll look easier. So I'm going to turn it 90 degrees. So the XY plane is something like that. Okay. So I'm going to draw a rectangle, a box, corner to corner. And it is going to be, what did I say? 200 by 75 feet. At 200 feet, comma, 75 feet. Enter. So each of our floor plate is approximately that size. I think it doesn't have to be like that. I don't exactly know for that. I think we'll have to talk to the design instructor for that. It says 2 of the slabs can be 50% longer and wider if necessary. So basically that's about the size of your plate. You can make this a little bit bigger for the other floors. You are going to be required to have 4 floors? No, 5 floors. Actually 4 floors and 1 roof floor. Okay, so what that's going to mean is that you're going to take this site and create 4 levels plus the 5th level, which is the roof. Okay. Let me go to the shaded view, and then so using this as our limit, you can go ahead and draw a surface from 3 or 4 points. You can go ahead and do that in here if you like. Right now I'm on the default layer. I'm going to go into layer 1, or activate layer 1. So I'll be drawing on layer 1. From using the surface from 3 or 4 corners, I'm going to draw a ortho, okay. I'm going to draw something, a floor plate, and I'll come out this way, come out this way, come out this way, something like that. Okay. That's about the size of this thing. Pretty close. If you want to if it overextends and stuff, I guess that should be okay. But this is basically going to be your ground floor. It's going to look a little bit confusing because this level is right on top of the site level, so that's why it's looking a little bit weird. Later on, we're going to lift this whole thing up about 2 or 3 inches so that you can see this thing distinctly. But anywhoots, what we're going to do is to draw another level. If you recall, in trying to keep the walls from not warping, we have to have at least 2 of the edges parallel, right? So what we're going to do is to take or decide to use this one or this one as the parallel wall, and do the same thing with another surface. So I'm going to use this surface right here. Actually, I'll use the surface because it's bigger. So from here to here, and I'm going to come out something like that, and maybe come out this way. Okay. So this part, I followed exactly this line. All these other lines, I guess it could have been something different. Do not twist, do not rotate, do not do anything except move this out or in. You could go either out or in. I'm going to go in a little bit, and then I'm going to take this in this way. Damn it. In this way. Okay? If I look at this from the perspective view, I can now take this thing and bring it up 16 feet. So 16 feet. And there are the two floors. Okay. I think I'll move all of these stuff a little bit closer in so that it's closer to the edge of the hill. Okay. So those are my two floors right there. From that, I could take another surface and connect these 4 points. Oops, I went the wrong direction, so I'll flip it. Well, actually, that was the right point. I'll explain a little bit later. Okay, so basically I connected the first floor with the wall that is angled, and the amount of angle could vary from like 5 degrees, 7 degrees, 10 degrees. Don't make it too much, or you'll have this area that will not be able to use. Okay, because if a person's standing right there, they'll bump their head into the slanted wall. Okay, so that's it right there. Let me turn off the sight layer. Why is it turning off? Oh, because it's current. And explain what's supposed to be in or out. If I choose that this is the floor that has a face normal here, which means the bottom is like that, the orange face is bottom, top face is red. If that folds over, this orange should continue up here and say, so that would continue something like that, which means that this floor right here should also be flipped, so that basically the inside part is all red and the outside part is all orange. Basically, it's keeping that face normal on the same side. Okay. Turn on the sight, and we will add another elevation or another floor. Okay.